Xiaomi's latest portable printer isn't just about printing photos, it's about printing experiences. Measuring just 86.8 by 145.5 millimeters and barely 27 millimeters thick, it fits in your bag or even a large pocket. With its 880 milliamp-hour battery, you can print on the go, no power bank required. This isn't your standard printer. Using dye-sublimation technology, it produces sharp, high-resolution images at 313 dpi, supporting 16.7 million colors and 256 grayscale levels. That means every print is vibrant, detailed, and Instagram-ready. The printer handles 50 by 76 millimeter photo paper, making prints compact but full of detail. You can load 10 sheets of standard paper or 5 sticker sheets, giving you flexibility to create mini albums, scrapbooks, or custom stickers. And the magic happens through the app. Multiple users can connect to the same printer, personalize borders, add watermarks, and unleash creativity instantly. Perfect for parties, events, or sharing memories with friends in real time. With a print speed of roughly 1 photo per minute, you can keep the memories coming without a wait. Its portability, combined with intuitive app controls, means your favorite moments are always just a tap away. The Xiaomi Portable Photo Printer Pro is available now for £109.99 in the UK and €129.99 in Germany. Keep in mind it requires separate photo paper and cartridges, but for the convenience, quality, and portability, many will find it worth every penny.